Whoa! Welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures, and today we are unboxing
PAW Patrol.
Yes, we are unboxing the PAW Patrol. We got the Nickelodeon set with all the PAW Patrol. Look at that.
Do you see the pictures right here?
Yes, look at that.
Chase and Skye. And look on the other side.
Let me see the back.
Marshall Lucas.
Ooh.
Marshall Lucas. Tracker. Rocky. Everest. Chase. Rex. Rubble. Rubble. Zuma. Liberty. Skye. Stealing. That's all of the PAW Patrol.
Whoa, look at that. Ooh, turn her around. Let's look at him from the front. Ooh, look at all the PAW Patrol. All right, you ready to open it?
Yeah!
All right, let's open it.
Let's take out the box. Take out the box. Take out the box.
There you go. Ooh, look at that.
I think we gotta take off the tape of here.
You gotta take off the tape?
Yeah.
Whoa, all right, so we got it ready so we can take them out. Which one you want to take out first?
Rocky!
All right, let's see.
He's still like this.
Try to, yeah, pull him.
Come on!
Try to untangle it from, yeah, take the rope out. Yes, do that.
This?
Yep. Turn it to the other side.
The other side?
Yep.
Ours.
Good. There you go. Pull him. Whoa, we got Rocky. Let me see. Rocky.
He's looking at you.
Let me see Rocky.
He's falling.
Look at that.
He's just falling like
there
this.
You go. Look at Rocky from our Nickelodeon gift set of PAW Patrol. You like Rocky?
Yeah, because he's looking at you right now.
He's looking at me?
Yeah, he is.
Ooh, look at that. Who do you want to take out next? Chase.
Why don't we put the box like this? Why don't we pull Chase out?
All right, pull him. Oh, there he goes.
I just almost did it like that.
You almost did it?
Yeah.
All right, pull him. He's like tangled at the feet right there. Oh, let me see. Whoa. Who is that? Chase. Let me take a look at him.
He's falling a lot of times.
Whoa, look at Chase. So nice.
I want to turn it around so Chase was like that.
Who do you want to take out next? Everest. Oh.
He's trying to, oh my goodness. Wait, from here.
Everest, oh my gosh, she's like tangled in there. You almost got it.
I'm trying.
Untangle the one on top, right there.
On top?
Yep. Turn her around to the other side. Yep, that one to the other side.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to, but I can't.
Yeah, like that.
And it doesn't get out.
Keep pulling her. Pull.
Like this?
Yes, pull her. Oh, there you go.
Wow! That was like a super shot.
Yeah. Ooh.
Come on.
There you go. All right, let me see.
Wait.
Ooh, look at that. Everest. Can you fix her head? Yeah.
Oh, Chase fell.
Look at that. Everest. So pretty. It's falling. So pretty.
They keep falling.
Yeah, look at that.
Wait, let me fix Rocky's face.
Whoa, look at that. Ooh,
They're
Rocky,
all-
Chase, and Everest.
Chase feel like that.
Okay, who do you want to take out next?
Marshall.
Marshall?
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. He's wrapped it up like this, like a rectangle.
Ooh, he's tangled up in there.
Oh.
Pull him, pull him. Pull him hard. Pull, pull, pull. Grab it and pull. Ah, he's tangled on the feet.
He's tangled on the 2 feet.
Yeah. Almost, you got it. Almost, you almost got it.
He's still stuck with the feet.
Oh, there you go, there you go. You got it. Whoa, we got Marshall.
He knocked down Chase and Everest.
Oh, we're gonna fix that. Let's put him over here. Let's put them on top of the...
The box?
Yeah, we put them on top of the box so they don't fall.
Up.
Yeah, there you go.
Then we put Chase like this.
Yeah, and put Chase right there. Now they're not gonna fall.
So,
Okay, look at that.
Rocky's right on Liberty, so let me put it on Rocky.
Okay, all right. Who do you want to go next?
I want to take out Skye.
All right, let's see. Skye.
Oh, she's right.
Rawr. Pull Skye.
She is so strong to get in and out here.
Pull her. She's almost trying to untangle it.
He's tangled on the feet.
Yeah, look. Untangle that little piece. Twist it around.
I'm just... Look at
Yeah, turn that piece. Yeah, like that. There you go. Now pull her.
She's still wrapped it up like this.
She's still wrapped in there.
Yeah.
All right, like that.
Like this?
Yes, like that. Keep turning it around. Keep turning it around.
Do I gotta put her?
Yeah, now pull now. Pull hard. Oh my God, she's still tangled in there.
Wait, can you cut the size so I can pull her?
All right, let me see if I can cut that real quick.
There.
Whoa, let's see Skye.
Let's put it here.
Where are you gonna put Skye?
Right there, cause there's Skye.
Oh, you put it right on top of Skye. Look at that. Look at Skye. She's so beautiful, so nice.
I want to take out
Ooh,
Tracker.
look at that.
I want to take out Tracker. I want to take out Tracker.
You want to take Tracker out next?
Yeah.
Whoa, let's see.
I'm trying to pull her. Wait. Do you think you gotta cut this up right now?
No. Keep pulling and untangle it.
He's so wrapped it up like that.
Yeah, you have to untangle him.
And
you got it. There you go. Untangle.
do I gotta,
Untangle, push. Oh, you got him.
I pull him out like that.
You pulled him out like
Where's
that?
Tracker?
Let's see.
Let me turn around the box so I can see where's Tracker. Oh, here he is.
He's right there.
Wait, Everest is not on top of him. Oh, Skye.
But now I cannot see his face.
You cannot.
Turn him around. I want to see them all.
There.
All right. Tracker. I really like his cowboy hat. Look at that. Look at that.
No, he's a jungle.
He's a what?
He's a jungle guy, cause
He's a jungle guy?
Yeah, he is.
Oh my God. Oh, there goes Chase. And turn around Rocky so I can see him.
Wait,
And there goes Rocky and Marshall. Whoa.
Wait.
Who's going next?
oh my goodness.
Who's going next?
Zuma.
Zuma? All right, let's try Zuma.
I'm gonna try to pull.
Oh, he pulled right away.
Wait, already did this put him?
Ooh, untangle him.
I gotta do this. Almost there?
Almost there. Whoa, we got Zuma. Just leave it right there. All right.
Where's where should I put Zuma?
He's right there. Can you fix his head, please?
Oh, okay. I'll fix his head. Zuma, why are you not looking at Daddy right now?
There you go. Look at Zuma. Whoa, so nice. Look at Zuma.
I do want to take out Rex, because Rex does...
Oh, you trying to take out Rex?
Oh, wait.
It's almost there.
Let me untangle.
Pull it. Try to untangle him.
Let me try to untangle him.
Try to untangle Rex.
Why is he still like this?
Yeah, pull the strings.
The strings?
There you go. There you go.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
All right, you're almost done. Try to pull him now.
Where? Wait. He's still like this.
Almost.
Wait, do I gotta...
Yeah, pull that one.
Oh, wait. These are too long.
There you go. He's almost out. He's almost out.
Take it out. Try to.
Pull. Yeah.
Let me find... Oh. Wait. Tracker goes here. Oh.
Where does he go?
Wait.
Just put him somewhere in there because he's not going to fit.
Wait, right here.
Let me see. I cannot see him there. Let me see. Put him a little back. Push him back.
Push him back?
Yeah, so I can see him. Ooh, look at Tracker with the wheels.
You cannot see Tracker because...
I mean, who is that one? The one that you just pulled? Let me see him. Put him over here so I want to see him. What's his name? Rex. I'm sorry. I was calling him Tracker all this time. I'm sorry, guys. His name is Rex. Look at Rex with the little...
Don't call him that. He's Tracker.
Yeah, sorry. I was calling Rex Tracker. I'm trying to get to know all these guys. This is a new Paw Patrol for me. I didn't know Rex. Look at Rex. I love Rex because he has these nice wheels.
And look at him. He can just not drive like that.
Yeah, he can like drive around and stuff like that.
Wait. Why can't he not drive like this?
Ooh, the wheels.
So I see this bumpy away.
It's like a bumpy road. All right, what do we have next? Who's still in there?
Liberty and
Ooh,
Rubble.
Liberty. See if you can pull Liberty.
Wait, do I gotta untangle him?
Yeah, untangle her. There you go. She's almost out. She is almost out.
Wait, I'm trying to take her out. Untangle her is so impossible.
You almost got it. You almost got to pull it. Pull it hard. There you go.
Oh my goodness! That was...
All right, try to untangle the feet. There you go. Boom.
Let's put Liberty right here. Wait.
Right there? Yes. Let me see. Liberty.
She's the...
Look at that with that nice pink and blue.
Rubble.
Look at all the Paw Patrol.
I need to...
Who's the last one in there?
Rubble.
Rubble. Whoa.
And I already did it.
Yeah.
Wait, why Zuma on Rubble, bro?
Let me see Rubble put his face facing over here, please.
I tried to. But he can't
Put him in the front so I can see him, and then we put him back there. Whoa, look at Rubble. Look at that. Now we got all the Paw Patrol. Can you count them to see how many we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whoa, we got 10 Paw Patrol. Look at that. This is amazing. So nice. Which one is your favorite?
Chase!
Chase. Look at Chase.
Because Chase got a new hat.
He got a new hat in there?
Yeah.
My favorite is the Rex. Where is Rex? Can you put Rex in the front for me, please?
Okay. Look at him.
Let me see. Look at Rex. That's my favorite because I like his wheels. I really like Rex's wheels. Whoa. All right. Look at that. Let's name all the Paw Patrol. Let's start over here with the yellow one.
Rubble Rubens.
Rubble what?
Rubble Rubens.
Rubble Reuben. He has two names? He has a second name?
Yeah.
Rubble Reuben. All right. He's right here. And what color is he?
He's yellow.
Yellow. Rubble Reuben. Who's next?
Zuma.
Zuma. Look at Zuma right there.
It's just the first name.
Ooh. And who's next?
Chase.
Chase. Look at Chase over here.
He was the only one that was rectangle on.
Yeah, and who's next?
Rex.
Rex. Where is Rex?
He's right here.
Look at Rex right there.
He's in the front of Rocky right now.
Okay, and who's next?
Liberty.
Liberty. Where is she?
He's right here.
She's right there. Look at Liberty. Who's next?
It's Tracker.
Tracker. Look at Tracker right there. And who's next?
Marshall Rukins.
Who? Marshall Marcus.
Marshall Marcus.
Look at that. I didn't know Marshall had two names, but it says it right there. Marshall
Rukins.
Marcus.
Marcus, I know.
Marcus. Ooh. Who else?
Rocky.
Rocky. Look at Rocky right there next to Rex. Next to Tracker and Marshall. Rocky.
Why
Who else? Who we missing?
Skye.
Skye.
Skye would steal this.
Let me see Skye. Ooh, look at Skye right there.
No, there's a second leg.
Oh, Skye Stella. Skye also has two names. Look at that, Skye Stella.
I told you that's Skye Stella.
Skye Stella. And who's the last one?
The last one is this one?
Yeah, who's that?
Everest.
Let me see her. Ooh, look at that. Everest.
He's behind Chase, Skye. Everest is right here.
Everest.
Why did he push Tracker?
Everest is pushing Tracker. Oh my God, look at all the Paw Patrol.
Subscribe to my channel.